Okay, so on this one, they're giving us a triangle, and not just any triangle, huh? It's a right triangle. Did you notice that right there, that right angle? So it's a right triangle because of this right here, this right angle. And so whenever you have a right triangle, so we can use what's called the Pythagorean theorem. And Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared is c squared. And it's important that you keep it in that order. C is the one across from the right angle. It's the longest side. This one's got to be the longest. It's the one that is across from the right angle. Okay, so let's plug in what we've got. So let me see. A, we don't know. So that's just going to stay a squared. Right, that just stays like that. Bring this on down. But B is 12. Equals C squared. Look at that. So we don't know A. We're trying to, in fact, A is what they want us to find in the end, huh? Well, we plug in B and C. And so what happens? Well, we get A squared. Use your calculator. This means 12 times 12. And this means 13 times 13. So this is 144. This is 169. You can use the power button, the 2 power button on your calculator as well. All right, and we're trying to solve here for A. Trying to get A alone. And I won't be alone. Get rid of all this other stuff. So how do we get A alone? First off, we're going to subtract the 144 from both sides. Boom, boom. Bring this on down. This is, what's that, 25? Like that. And then how do we turn A squared into regular A? I think you know. You do the square root, huh? That's the opposite. Better job there. The square root is the opposite of a 2 power. It gets rid of a 2 power. We have to do the same thing to both sides, don't we? It cancels out right there. The root and the 2 power are opposite of each other, and they cancel each other out. And so once we've got that, they cancel. And use your calculator, or maybe you know off the top of your head, square root of 25 is just 5. Right? Because square root asks the question, what times itself is 25? Well, 5 is. So there's our answer. A is 5 on that. We got A, and A is 5. Just like that. So there we go.